Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Stevens, and it's time for a math talk. I'm actually going to take this off because I am by myself so that you can hear me a little bit better, but I hope you're doing great. I'm so excited for all the great things that are happening in our district, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Bridges Math, which is the new K-5 math that we just adopted. And I wanted to let parents know that we have some resources for them on that and where you can find them if you want to do any math over the summer, which is not hard. It's not hard, I promise. But maybe you do. So I'm going to go over here and show you that we've adopted Bridges K-5. Oh, sorry, there's a glare there. And if you go to a website called mathlearningcenter.org, there it is in the green, mathlearningcenter.org. There are two headings that you can go into. This is free for everyone. It's a great site. There's one that says for families. And if you go to for families and you scroll down and select your grade, you can see overviews of what's going to be taught in Bridges for your kiddos and some activities, games, all kinds of really cool stuff that can keep you guys thinking mathematically for a while. And then there's also something called home learning. And you also scroll down and select a grade, very similar to these colorful grades over here. And there's activities and games around home learning. Because what I'm really excited about is that when we selected Bridges, we selected a company, mathlearningcenter.org, that is nonprofit and all about kids learning and making sense of math hands-on, from the concrete, doing stuff with math. And so I'm very, very excited about that. So on that site, you will find something that I think could be very helpful, and that is these really cool back to school, welcome back to school for families. And I'm going to give these to your teachers, and you can just see what the different things that are going to be happening through Bridges are. And I just wanted you to kind of be aware of what those things look like for when your kiddos bring them home. Math, I mean, look at some of the math tools. I mean, they're going to be measuring things. They're going to be doing hands-on math that makes sense. These are base 10 blocks. What I love about these is they're actually area models, because so many kids get mixed up between area and volume, and we use base 10 pieces that are basically cubes, so they're not flat. So these are linear number pieces for base 10 models, and they're so cool. I'm really excited about it. So I hope you have a great summer, well-deserved. Families and parents, I'm not trying to give you more work, but just think about how easy it is to just talk about math and just kind of mathematize conversations whenever you're doing things. Look for the ways that it's counting or numbers or how math relates in your everyday life, and just talk about that with your child, because that's interesting and that's real, and that's what we want with Bridges. So I hope you guys have a great summer. I'm really excited about next year and getting back at it, and thanks for all your hard work, and I miss you guys. Take care. Bye.